If your toilet tank bolts are acting up, like leaking or getting loose, you gotta check those washers first. Worn out or missing washers cause all kinds of headaches. So here's the deal. When you notice water pooling around your toilet base or hear drips, start by turning off the water supply, then flush the toilet to empty the tank. Next, grab a sponge or towel to soak up any leftover water inside the tank. Now, locate the bolts holding the tank to the bowl, usually 2 or 3 underneath the tank. If the washers look cracked, flattened, or totally gone, you need to swap them out. Make sure you get rubber or neoprene washers because they create a better seal and last longer than plastic ones. When you put the new washers on, don't over-tighten the bolts, just snug them enough so everything stays put without cracking the porcelain. After replacing, turn the water back on and check for leaks by giving it a few flushes. You're golden if nothing drips. And hey, keep some extra washers on hand since they're cheap and save you from future trouble. One of the biggest mistakes when dealing with toilet tank bolts and washers is ignoring early signs of leaks. People often wait too long, which leads to water damage. To fix this, keep an eye out for damp spots or water on the floor and fix it as soon as possible. Another common screw-up is using the wrong type of washer. Plastic washers might seem okay, but they wear out fast and won't stop leaks. Always go with rubber or neoprene washers to avoid this. Lastly, over-tightening those bolts can crack your tank or bowl, which means costly repairs or replacements. Just tighten gently and evenly on both sides to prevent damage and still keep it sealed tight. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, contractors can find steady work through the platform, making it a win-win for everyone needing home repairs or upgrades.